If life were a courtroom, how would you respond to life's challenges? Charles was charged with 365 counts. He exclaimed, "I need a lawyer." He was eventually charged to court. How many challenges of life have you faced so far? They never go away. They only metamorphosize or change depending on numerous factors. How do you intend to stay undefeated? Lawyers are also called attorneys, counsel, advocates, solicitors, depending on their specialization and jurisdiction. A lawyer is a licensed professional qualified to advise and represent individuals, businesses, or government agencies on legal matters. They are trained to analyze laws, draft legal documents like contracts and wills, conduct research, and advocate for clients in court proceedings or negotiations. Lawyers are needed because of the knowledge of the law and the knowledge of the proceedings in court. In the first episode, we established the fact that emotional moments must be cut short in the face of challenges of life to switch to the frequency of thought. The first thing to remember is that you have rights. Having rights is an entitlement, but they are useless without the knowledge of those rights. Just like lawyers, we all need to be qualified and licensed with the rights to face life's challenges. The question then is, what qualifies you the right to defeat the challenges of life? Number one, the knowledge of who you are. The simple logic to understand who you are is to know your mind. Everything you are right now is the state of your subconscious mind. To correct the subconscious mind, however, needs an understanding of how the mind works. It always starts with the streamers of the conscious mind, which are the eyes and the ears. Whatever you expose yourself to determines the contents that are streamed on your conscious mind. After a long gestation period of repetition in the conscious mind, these contents flow like a developing embryo to the subconscious mind, where it becomes a solid rock of belief. That belief is what you are right now. The second thing that qualifies you the right to defeat life's challenges is the knowledge of the challenge you are facing. Isn't it fascinating that someone who wants to start a real estate business never read a book on real estate? Not one book on finance. Not one book on marriage. Not one book on your gifts. How do you throw yourself into the pit of ignorance and assumption and then point fingers at government, parents, friends, without pointing a finger at yourself? The issue is we assume we know everything, and assumption is the lowest form of knowledge. Therefore, gathering the right information must be our greatest quest for life. I believe this message has blessed you. Until I see you again on the Courtroom series, keep focusing on the bright side of life.